So this is part 2 on adding integers, but this time with different signs. If you want to see number line or chips, that's on the November 24th folder. So what if you're adding, but the signs are different? So step number 1, operation must be addition. They are addition. When signs are different, so in this first example, the first number is positive where the second number is negative, or if the first number is negative and the second number is positive. When signs are different, find the difference. Difference is an answer to a subtraction problem. And then take the sign of the number with the higher absolute value. So let's take a look at an example. So first I check, that is showing addition. My first number is positive. My second number is negative. So since signs are different, find the difference, which means I'm going to take 8 and 3 and subtract them. 8 minus 3 is 5. And then you're going to take the sign of the number with a bigger absolute value. So let's take a look at this example. It's addition. The first number is positive. The second number is negative. So signs are different. Find the difference, which means I'm going to take 8 and subtract it with 3. And that equals 5. After I do that, then you take the sign of the number with the higher absolute value. So I'm going to find the absolute value of 8 and the absolute value of negative 3. I did a previous video on that if you want to take a look on absolute value. The absolute value of 8 is 8. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So the number with the bigger absolute value is 8, which is positive. So you take the sign of the number with the bigger absolute value. Since it's positive, that means our final answer will be positive. So the answer to question 1 is 5. So again, let's look at 8 plus negative 3. If I was looking at a number line, 8 plus negative 3 means I'm adding on negative numbers, so I'm moving to the left. 1, 2, 3. So you're ending at positive 5. So 8 plus negative 3 would be positive 5. Let's look at negative 4 plus 1. This is addition sign. One's negative, one's positive, so signs are different. Find the difference. So subtract 4 minus 1, and you get 3. So you find the difference of the two numbers. Then you find the absolute value of the two numbers. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4. The absolute value of 1 is 1. Since negative 4 has the bigger absolute value, that means that the answer is going to be negative. Answer is negative 3. Negative 4 plus 1 means I start at negative 4. Plus 1 means I move towards the positive. I add 1 to the positive, which is why it's negative 3.